everyone, thought I would share a quick demo on turning some Ikea tea towels by Tekla into festive napkins. Cloth napkins look really cute when they are gathered in the middle, then tied together with either raffia or ribbon, maybe an ornament or candy cane tied into the center and then laid on top of a plate. So with that in mind, I'm going to focus on this area. I'm just going to work with the folds that are there so I don't have to iron. So the first thing you'll want to do is just put something waterproof underneath. I've chosen the Stencil Christmas crates and I think I'm going to try this one right here. Oh, that's adorable. This is looking really cute. I tied raffia in the middle, then added a branch and candy cane, and you can even make your own napkin rings by taking a faux evergreen branch, clipping it off, looping it in a circle, tying it with a ribbon, and instant napkin ring.